Unbox massive suite room. Hotel connected to Starbucks. How's the breakfast buffet? What are the perks being Best Western members? Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good day, Kuwait. Let's take in the sky view. A sight not too common for someone like me, used to the lush greenery of the Asia Pacific. It adds a touch of mystery to Kuwait and the Middle Eastern countries from my perspective. Before we dive into the hotel report, let me share how I got here. I flew on a budget airline, Fly Dubai, from Dubai to Kuwait. Surprisingly, the business product was definitely a hit, even for a short-haul journey. But finding a transit hotel in Dubai Airport Terminal 2 was a challenge. How did I manage to get some sleep at the airside? Check the link below for my travel report. This marks my first visit to Kuwait, and since it's a business trip, there are only few chances to exploring iconic spots like Kuwait Tower or the Marina Yacht Club. It's hard to believe this place is a desert. Now let's get back to the main topic. Our hotel for today, Best Western Plus Salmiya, is conveniently located with a 100-meter walking distance to a nearby mall. Upon entering the building, the color tone may appear a bit dated, but there's a great plus, a Starbucks directly linked to this hotel. While I usually prefer IHG, Holiday Inn is way overpriced here. However, I've never experienced any status recognition or perks in Best Western. How about you? Share your experience in the comments below. I booked the superior suite today. It seems this floor is filled with suites. The corridor has a design that lets the natural light from the top, but it's not particularly stylish. Now let's tour the room. Wow, it's super spacious. Kitchen-like area without equipment, so it functions more like a bar. It comes with drinking water and essential in the desert. Below, you'll find a minibar. Every drink in the fridge requires payment, along with some other snacks with a price list. Moving on to the living room. It's vast, but there aren't many decorations. The view outside is of the nearby shopping center. There's a working table and a TV right here. Behind this thin wall, or say a divider, is a king-size bed with a window to share the view from the living room. In the closet, you'll find a safe, laundry bag, a scale, and hangers. Finally, let's check the toilet. A bit surprising, there's no bathtub in such huge room. A big mirror, a sink with hotel branded amenities, a toilet, and that's it for this room tour. Before we move on to the hotel facilities report, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Let's head to the 3rd floor, where there's an all-day restaurant. Let's look around first. There's some partition for a business center. And the gym is also here with some essential equipment. Lastly, let's discover what breakfast we got. Here's the egg station. You can also find cereals, bread, pastries, and fruits, all up to international standards. There are a couple of hot dishes. Also cold salads and Arabic meze. There's hot and cold drinking area. Finally, this concludes the short hotel tour. In summary, based on my experience, Best Western properties provide clean facilities and value for money stays. However, don't expect too much perks and details, even you have high status with them. That's all for unboxing today. In my next video, I will fly to Muscat via Oman Air 737-200 in economy class. Luckily, I got an extra legroom seat and experienced 2 lounges in Kuwait. Finally, What should we expect for onboard dining? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.